In this video, I will show you how to turn on and off confirm before sending email in Gmail application. As you want to send a mail to someone, for example, I don't know, we're going to take that button section, which will be, for example, I will firstly go for all inboxes and I will go right here. And if you want to just go and take some email to that section, simply scroll right down and just go reply. And as you go to reply and take that note on right here, as you want to send this cycling selection and get the right point, if you go on that button right here on your right side, you're going to simply send it. If you want to send it off, just go cancel right here. As you can see, the sending site has been canceling, and right now, as you can see, we have got again the same text that we have got with the same mention, but without getting and sending that email.